vibe. Come on, man.
It's really crazy. I'm feeling lately. Can't speak on this shit.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I know y'all hear that. I know wanna hear that. Whew. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and smashing out. Bang. Yeah, man, people, from the title, I don't know what we're doing today. But before we get into our video, take this moment, guys, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, the likes really help me out with the YouTube algorithm, guys. I'm getting my videos out there and help my channel grow. So please go ahead and hit that like button. The goal for this video, guys, is at least 50 likes, okay? At least 50 likes, guys. Help me out. I'm making these great videos for you. The least you can do is hit that like button. Tell me, you know, help me grow and help me get out there. It's free. You ain't gotta pay nothing. Just hit that like and subscribe. It's all free. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys. From the video we do today, yeah man, we're back in another one from my artist. Right now, it's no stranger to the channel. What I talk about? Yeah man, I talk about Tree. Yeah man, I'm back with another song and visual entitled Crazy. You see me, I'm gonna check it out and see what I go on. Yeah man, because you know, from we seen from Tree previously, yeah, you can see that he's a very talented artist. He's up and coming and he has great potential and promise. He has a bright future in this music game. You know what I'm saying? So he seems like he's staying consistent, you know what I'm saying? He's dropped another video and we're going to check it out today and see exactly what's going on, see if it's a vibe, you know, and see what's he's hitting for. So yeah man, like I said, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. You already know we're going strong over here. Love y'all. To my returning viewers, you don't know, we love like cook food, you don't know. But yeah man, we're going to jump right now the track right now. It's a Trey, the one I talking about Tree. The man named Tree. You see me, like, you know, Jamaican Tree, T-R-E-E. You see me, number 3. Yeah man. The one named Tree. The song entitled Crazy. I check it out. See what I go on, though. I'm something. Don't know. See what I go on. See if that we jump right now, track right now. This is Tree. Crazy, let's get it.
Oh, so they want to take it personal.
Yo, that intro always is a vibe. Oh, so they want to take it personal. That intro always bad.
Anything tested.
Ooh, I'm loving the start already, dog. That eerie sound. Oh, go on. You know what I'm saying? With a beautiful, you know, cocoa skin girl on it. You know what I'm saying? My melon princess right here. You know, but like how the eerie vibe was going. You know, listen to it to start off. I know this is gonna be some trippy. How should I? It's like yo, he got this vibe like one of them Canadian like a party next door or it's like a Bryce Tiller or a tour. You know, he got that vibe, man. Like Drake. You know what I'm saying? Listen to that. Listen to that. Before you even drop, bro, you feel that vibe? Oh man, come on.
Wavy. With you.
I knew it. From I hear that eerie sound, nigga. From I hear that eerie shit, you know what I'm saying? I knew it was that drop was gonna be hard. Come on, let's start this shit over, bro. Let's start this shit over.
Oh, so they want to take it
I can't
personal.
even let it drop it yet. Come on, man.
Anything tested.
This shit tough, brother. I haven't heard the song yet.
Wavy. With you, I feel life. How I feel right now. Nice. My bucket list is finished. You asked me to jump so high. You came in my life.
Do y'all see what I'm saying? Do y'all see what I'm saying?
Fun time.
I'm mean, do y'all hear what I'm hearing? Come on.
Actually, it's appealing your fun size. Ain't life nice with a bad bitch? I make mistakes like anybody. You understand the difference and forget about them. I can hit you with precision like you asked. I'ma learn your lingo when you test.
It's like great with a bad bitch. Dog say, yo, I make mistakes like everybody. Yeah, I'ma learn your line when you test.
It's really crazy, are you really crazy? And I know this shit. It's really crazy, I'm feeling lately. Can't speak on this shit. It's really crazy, I think I might be something I don't wanna feel right now. It's really crazy, are you really crazy? And
This is a vibe. Come on, man.
it's really crazy, I'm feeling lately. Can't speak on this shit.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I know y'all hear that. Me no wanna hear that. Whew.
It's really crazy, I think I might be something I don't wanna feel right now. Yo, I like what I like. Top notch gal with her body look right.
Top notch girl with her body look. Hey.
You have the notch that I like, and I like that. How can I not wanna do you right? Can I just want my girls, them looking different? Can I just give you something that you never seen? I know baboon thing, I know baboon thing.
Ooh.
You gotta wait and see. Wait and see.
I know baboon thing. I don't know baboon thing. I know monkey love me. Hey, easy to make me. I hear a G. Keep it going.
It's really crazy, are you really crazy? And I know this shit. It's really crazy, I'm feeling lately. Can't speak on this shit. It's really crazy, I think I might be something I don't wanna feel right now.
Man say it's crazy. That's some marijuana. Oof.
It's really crazy.
Yo, the visual mad. You don't know. Yo, the visual is mad, dog. The vibe. This is a vibe, people, ain't it? Let me know in the comment section one thing, bro. This is a vibe. The visual is mad. Song, flow, lyrics. Whew.
Crazy, are you really crazy? And I know this shit. It's really crazy, I'm feeling lately. Can't speak on this shit. It's really crazy, I think I might be something I don't wanna feel right now.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Wavy.
Whew. Bomba people. Wanna think about that? Clap him. Yeah, man, people. I don't know. Yeah, really dope track, yo. Really a vibe. I like it. Caribbean vibe, American vibe, Canadian. It's a vibe, yo. You know, really talented artist, really dope song, really dope lyrics, nice flow, visuals tough. You know what I'm saying? Dope girls. You know what I'm saying? Dope. Hey man, just lit, man. You already know people go spam the artist and make you know some want an interview for him. Go blow him up. Yeah, see me on IG. Make you know say yo Jambisco want a interview and definitely go show him some support. Make you know say Jambisco send you. You already know what time it is, people. Yeah man, really dope track. Really dope song. I'm looking forward to see more from this artist. You know what I'm saying? It's really hey, yeah. Love your look. Anyway, people, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here, then I hit and I smashing a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.